Day 5 test of Basic English course. Find the plural nouns of the following singular nouns. Book. Books. You just want to add one S at the end of book. The plural is books. Half. The last letter is F, so you should remove that F and have to add VES. So the plural of half is halves. Goose. Goose. You should replace the two O's into E letters, just as in tooth, teeth, foot, feet. Here, for the word goose, the plural should be geese. Bus. The last letter is S, so you have to add ES to make the plural. Buses. Buses. Next one, face. Face. You just want to add an S. Faces. Already there is an E letter, so it should be pronounced as faces. Next one, leg. Leg. You just want to add an S letter at the end of the word leg. Legs. Legs. Mouse. Mouse. How will be the plural of mouse? It is mice. Mice. Here you shouldn't add any letters such as S, ES or whatever. Just you need to change the whole format of the word. Mouse is singular and plural is mice. Knife. Knife. The last two letters are FE. If the word contain F or FE at the end of that word, we have to remove that F or FE and should add VES. So in this word knife, we have to remove FE and add VES. So the plural of knife is knives. Next word, baby. Baby. The last letter of the word is Y. Now we should check the letter before Y. Is the letter before Y is a vowel letter or consonant letter? So the letter before Y is B. B is a consonant letter. So to make the plural of baby, we should remove Y letter and add IES. So the plural of baby is babies. BABIES, babies. Next one, sister-in-law. This is a compound noun. There are three parts in this noun, sister-in-law. So, which is the main word of this noun? Sister. Sister. So, we should add ns after sister. So, what will be the plural? Sisters-in-law. Sisters-in-law. Next one is loaf. Loaf. What is the last letter of this? F. So we should remove F and add VES. Loaves. Loaf, loaves. Next one, child. Child. What is the plural of child? We should add ren at the end of child. So the plural is children. Next one, fox. Fox. The last letter is X. If the last letter of a noun is X, OCH, OSH, OS, we should add ES at the end of the word to make it plural. So we have to add ES at the end of the word fox to make it plural. Foxes. Foxes. Next one, wife. Wife. Last letters are FE. So what is the rule? We should remove FE and add VES. Wife. Wives. Wives. Fish. Fish. The plural of fish is fish. Singular and plural words are same. Next one, boy. Boy.